The DPTOOL Engine Timing Kit is a well-thought-out set designed specifically for modern Ford and Mazda engines, covering a broad range of Duratec, Duratorq, and Ecoboost applications. With 18 precisely machined pieces that mirror factory service tools, it allows accurate camshaft, crankshaft, and flywheel locking, so timing work can be done with confidence. The inclusion of dedicated tools for both petrol and diesel engines makes this kit especially useful for home mechanics and small workshops that see a variety of vehicles. Coverage for many popular models, from compact hatchbacks to larger vans, means you can service multiple vehicles without hunting for extra specialty tools. Each component is organized in a sturdy portable case with a clear layout, which keeps the tools protected and makes it easy to grab the exact piece you need during a timing belt or chain job. Overall, the DPTOOL Engine Timing Kit offers a complete, workshop-style solution that delivers reliable alignment, saves time, and helps prevent costly timing errors.